not searching my fucking vehicle. What? Like, you can sit to search my vehicle.
Back up.
Search my vehicle.
I don't care. Stop. Now you're going to go to jail.
No, I do. You can sit to search my vehicle.
Oh, man, we're going to find all your meth now.
Oh, yeah, all my meth. Yeah, okay.
On the 12th of November 2024, in Sarasota County, Florida, a traffic stop over a missing seatbelt and an unreadable license plate escalated into a felony drug arrest, not because of what the officers did, but because of what the subject didn't know about the law.
How you doing? You got your license on you, too?
What are they doing?
So, a couple things. One, you're not wearing a seatbelt. And two, the tag on the car, the last two characters, all the green is missing, so the tag's confused. So you can't read those last two characters unless you're right up on it. Not a big deal, it's just some minor traffic stuff. Do you have the registration for the tag that's on the car? Because that's not this. That's not the tag that's on it.
What tag's on it?
E78 something.
That should be the tag that's on there.
It's an E78 something or that's on the back of the car. So
You sure?
1074. Can you advise what that 28 comes back to? Okay. Is that like an old tag of yours or?
I can't remember.
Here, I'll show you. See, it's supposed to be IV9.
Sarasota.
It's supposed to be IV9.
It shouldn't even be Sarasota. It should be Charlotte County. I'm not from here.
Alright. So we can work past that. Do you have insurance on the car?
Yeah.
Can you pull it up on your phone or? Good. Where are you off to today?
To Charlotte.
Kevin. So that tag that's on it expired in 2015 and it's not assigned to any vehicle.
I don't know. So maybe somebody switched my tags or something because I have a regular tag. I mean, I don't know why I would have put that one on there. I mean, I have a tag for it. The tag that was on there. I haven't lost a tag. I haven't, you know what I mean? I don't know why that was on there. Maybe somebody switched it or.
I don't know what to tell you.
I don't know either. Where is my insurance? Your link is agreement to expire. Your link.
Do you know who your insurance is through?
Dairyland.
Okay.
Here we go.
There's that back. I'm gonna hold on to this just to double check the correct registration that's on it. So I'm not gonna up and take you to jail for having different tags on it.
Thank you, I appreciate that because I don't know where the fuck my tag's at.
I got you. Just give me a minute.
I just got a new registration too, so I had to put a new sticker on it. I didn't even realize it was Sarasota. It should be Charlotte.
All right, it very well could have been, someone switched tags around, or someone at your house, or boyfriend, kid, something. But just give me a minute. Everything's good with your license, not suspended or revoked, nothing like that. Just give me a minute, I'll get back to it.
Thank you.
Damn.
She swears that tag, she doesn't even know where that tag came from. But you want to,
Yeah.
you want to see if she'll give you consent?
Yeah. Hi. How are you?
How are you?
Good. Well, Officer Mills, I'm just here to help him out.
Okay.
What happened with your tag? Is this your car? Yeah.
Trying to figure that out right now.
Did you have the registration for this or not? What's that? I'm sorry.
Yeah, he's got it.
Yeah. What's your first name?
Sarah?
Sarah. Sarah, while he's writing up your paperwork, do you mind if I just search your vehicle real quick?
No, you're not searching my vehicle.
Okay.
What do you search my vehicle for?
Just a question. It's part of my job.
Okay, well, I've done nothing wrong to you know.
You're right, and that's why it's a question.
Okay. Thank you.
Did you have a Charlotte tag on it?
It was, yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know how it would have got switched. Or,
Yeah.
I mean, I didn't do it.
Yeah, I'm not sure. Damn, what happened? Got a big hole in your door.
My boyfriend.
Uh-oh. That's not good.
That's,
Is that how all that happened too?
no, this is like, this is the radio door's right there.
Oh, okay.
And, you have to pull it off to change the radio out.
Yeah.
And the tabs
Gotcha.
broke off.
What do you hit that with?
Sledgehammer. Did a good job.
Yeah? I'd say so.
Yeah.
Not very nice.
Put a hole right through it. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
not very nice.
No, not at all.
Who's your boyfriend?
You don't know him.
Just curious.
Tell him I'm late for an interview. If you could like
Yeah,
move
he's
this along.
he's going.
Okay.
New job? Said you getting a new job?
Yeah.
Nice.
I do. I make it down there.
What time's your appointment at?
3:45.
What is it?
3:45.
3:45?
Yeah.
Damn, you ain't making it now.
What time is it?
3:38? Where's it at?
Kings Highway.
Oh yeah. You gotta leave earlier. You never would have made it anyway.
I would have made it. It's just in
Yeah.
time. Couldn't find my keys.
Uh-huh.
Real show with me about versus she's going to flip mode.
You guys do this to everybody you pull over?
Yep.
Why?
It's part of my job.
Just stand there and creep up on somebody like that?
Did I creep up on you? I walked up and
Okay.
introduced myself.
You just did it on that side.
Yeah, I don't want to get hit by a car. Have you never been pulled over before?
I've been pulled over a few times, yeah. I've never had this before, but whatever.
Alright, I'll get around. Start searching it. You want to have her get out? We're going to end up towing.
Yeah. Ma'am, can you hop out on that side for me?
For what?
Because I asked you to hop out of the car.
Why am I hopping out of the car?
I'm not going to ask you again. Can you get out of the car,
I'd
please?
just like to know why I'm being asked to
Okay.
get out of the car.
Please don't make me come around the car or move you from the car. Get out of the car.
I don't have to get out of the car until you tell me what to do.
Are you going to get out or am I pulling you out of the car?
Why am I getting out
The
of the
car is getting towed
For what?
because the tag is not assigned to this. This can't be on the roadway. You have 1 second to get out or I'm pulling you out.
Okay, well, can I turn my car off?
Get out of the car.
Hey, Jesus Christ, dude.
Jesus Christ, you don't listen.
What do you mean you
Don't
don't
bring him
listen?
into this. Stand over here. It's an easy way to go to jail when we keep giving you lawful orders.
You need to tell me why I'm getting out of my car, though.
Yeah, the car's getting towed. It can't
You
be on the
didn't tell me
roadway.
that until the
I
last
just
minute.
did.
You just did.
And you still didn't listen.
I did listen. I said, can I turn my car off?
Okay, just relax.
You need to relax.
Why are you driving around with a tag on it that doesn't belong on it?
I didn't know that it was the wrong tag.
Okay.
I didn't even know it got
Do you know
switched.
which tag belongs on it? Do you
No,
know the license plate?
my tag goes on
What
it.
is it?
I don't know the tag number.
You don't know the tag
I
number.
don't know the tag
Do you
number.
have the registration?
Yes, I gave it to
Okay,
him
well that
already.
would have the correct tag number on it.
Okay, well, I don't know where my tag's at then.
Okay, well you should know that before you get into a
Well,
car.
I mean, I don't look at my tag every time I get in the vehicle.
Okay, is this car registered to you?
Yes, it's registered.
Okay, so who would be taking the tag off your car?
I have no clue. Somebody in a parking lot, maybe? I don't have no clue.
Okay. All right. If that's the case, just be cautious, and if it gets stolen, call us to report it
Well,
stolen.
I didn't know that was the
I understand.
case until just now.
I understand. I imagine there's insurance on it.
Yeah, of course it's insurance.
Okay. All right. Yeah, it's actually a crime. A lot of people don't realize it. I'm not saying you put this tag on it, but some people will put a tag that doesn't belong it, and it's an arrestable offense.
Well, I didn't-
Again, I'm
I
not
wouldn't
saying
have
that
done
you did it,
Yeah,
but
I didn't do that.
let's be reasonable and realistic with one another. If you were in a parking lot and somebody took the tag that belonged on the car off of it, you would at least recognize that that tag is no longer on it. Therefore, you would have put another tag on it.
Unless they switched my tag with theirs.
Unless they switched. Yes, exactly. That's the only thing I
Another
can
thing,
think
you
of.
know what I mean?
Yeah. But I mean, I drive my car every day. I would know if there's a new tag on it or a
Well,
different
I mean,
tag.
I don't really pay attention to the tag.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. What's the
I didn't
name?
even know what the tag number was to begin with.
Okay.
So
Well,
why
again,
would I-
it's on your registration.
Right.
Yeah.
But I mean, I don't remember that. I just figured the tag that's on it is my tag.
Yeah.
I put it
If
on
you
there,
can't
so-
find it, if you end up going home today and you're able to find the right license plate on it, make sure that goes right back on it.
You guys can't just let
And
me
then-
go. You don't have to tow it.
No, it can't
I'm
be
right
on the
down the
roadway.
road.
It can't be on the roadway. No.
Well, can you just leave it here until I can go find my tag if it's at the house?
The car's getting towed. We're not taking you to jail over it. You could be going to
I
jail.
know, but I don't have the money to get it out from towing. No, that's the thing.
Okay. Well, I understand, but it's.
You don't understand. You let me just leave it here and let me go look for the tag. Real quick.
I understand that people have financial issues. We have a job to do. That's where we're.
But it's not. I mean, it's not going to go anywhere.
It can't stay here. It can't
It
just
can
stay
stay
on
for
the
a
side of the road.
certain amount of time.
No, it can't.
You give it like 24 hours. or something,
No,
don't
that's
you?
not the rule. I appreciate you trying to educate me on how this works, but that's not how it works.
I'm gonna call.
In a few minutes, stay outside of the car. Yeah, she's real uptight about whatever's in that car right now. She almost got yanked out. Did she end up giving you insurance? Yeah. So, she's saying, oh, somebody in a parking lot must have taken my tag off and put this tag on. Okay.
Probably what she did is she's going to go pick up the girl in front.
Maybe.
You want to start going through it?
But even, yeah, I will. But even then, like, they have a good decal sticker on it too. So they must have, because there's no way this tag that expired in what, 15? Yeah, they must have.
Well, she said that she put the new decal on it.
She said that?
Yeah, she's like, I just put the decal on it. So you're telling me when you go to put the
Yeah,
registration,
you
you
didn't
don't
realize.
notice it's the wrong tag?
So you said you put the decal sticker on this? Okay. Yeah. Anyways, I have to inventory it. Do you say you need your phone out of the car?
My phone in my purse. Yeah.
Okay. All right. I don't like. What are you doing?
Give me my
Stand
phone
over
in my
there.
purse. Why can't I get my phone in my purse out of my truck? I mean, I'm not being arrested.
All right.
You don't have
Number
to inventory
one,
anything.
Yeah, it's getting inventoried. It's getting towed, so we have to inventory it. You're worried about what's in that
I'm
car.
not worried about
Look at
anything.
you.
I'm not worried about anything. You're just being a dickhead about this.
Really?
Yeah.
How?
You know why and you know how.
I know
Come on
why
now.
and I know how.
Yes.
Okay.
It's been difficult since we started this
How am I
encounter.
being difficult?
Because you're saying that I'm creeping up on you, and I
Well,
came
you
up
were.
and introduced myself. I don't know how
You
it's
creeping up on me on the other side and you stood there like, just like this.
Yeah,
Just
we
stood
have a
there.
job to do. I would
Well,
encourage
what's your
you
job?
to
Your
do
job
it.
is to sit there and watch over me the whole entire time I sit there? Well, I've never had that done before.
Well, first time for everything, isn't it?
Okay, well, I guess so. Like I said, first time for everything.
Yep.
I mean, first time it happened, so my bad.
Okay. Well, there you go. There's your explanation.
So to me, get out of the car, get out of the car. You didn't even talk about getting out of the car.
I don't have to tell you to get
Yes,
why.
you do.
No, I don't.
You don't know as much as you think you know, sweetheart. So sit against the car. And don't walk up on me again. You'll get your phone when we're done.
You're not searching my fucking vehicle. I'm not giving you consent to search my vehicle.
You want to bet?
No, I'm not.
That's fine.
I'm not giving you consent to search my vehicle.
It's called an inventory
I'm
search.
not giving you consent to
Doesn't
search
matter.
my vehicle.
Learn
You
the
need to do
law.
an inventory
Learn the
search.
laws.
You need to do an inventory search. I'm not giving
Back
you consent
off.
to search my vehicle.
I don't care.
Paul,
Stop. Now you're going to go to jail because you don't
what
listen.
do I do? What do I do?
You don't listen.
What do I do?
How many times did he tell you not to
I'm
walk
giving
up
you
behind
consent
him?
to search my vehicle. Plain and simple.
You better hope you don't find whatever's in
Yeah,
there.
I got
Plain and simple. I'm not giving you consent to search my vehicle.
You don't need consent.
You do need consent to search my vehicle.
No, you're wrong.
You don't.
Love to see where you got your love from.
Stand
You
up.
need consent to search my vehicle.
Oh man, we're gonna find all your meth now.
Oh yeah, all my mess. Yeah, okay.
Then I think I'll foreground the
Why can't you just listen? It would be so much easier. No. Relax.
The stop was clean. Florida Statute Section 316.614 requires seatbelts for all occupants. Section 316.605 requires every license plate to be clearly legible at all times. Two independent violations, both visible, both sufficient on their own to justify the stop. When dispatch confirmed the displayed tag had expired in 2015 and was not assigned to any registered vehicle, the legal picture changed. Florida Statute Section 320.261 makes it a second-degree misdemeanor to display a plate not assigned to the vehicle an arrestable offense. Once impoundment was ordered, the inventory search became mandatory. Under South Dakota v. Opperman in 1976 and Colorado v. Bertine in 1987, an inventory search of a lawfully impounded vehicle is a recognized Fourth Amendment exception. No warrant required, no probable cause required, and critically, no consent required. The subject's refusal carried zero legal weight. Officers were not requesting permission. They were following a standardized procedure required before any vehicle is towed. Her objection, however loudly stated, changed nothing about the lawfulness of that search. On the exit order, the subject demanded a reason before complying. She wasn't entitled to one. Pennsylvania v. Mims in 1977 gives officers absolute authority to order a driver out during a lawful stop. Maryland v. Wilson extended that to passengers in 1997. No explanation required under either ruling. When the subject then physically approached the officer from behind during the active search after multiple explicit warnings, she crossed into conduct that meets the elements of Florida Statute Section 843.02. Obstruction of an officer without violence, a first-degree misdemeanor. That's a separate charge with its own consequences, entirely of her own making. The physical response is evaluated under Graham v. Connor, the 1989 Supreme Court standard for all law enforcement use of force. The test is not hindsight. It's what a reasonable officer on scene would have done facing the same facts. An agitated subject approaching from behind during an active search after repeated warnings clears that bar. The primary officer receives a B+. The stop was legally grounded, the impoundment was correct, and offering the driver a chance to avoid arrest on the misdemeanor tag charge was a reasonable exercise of discretion. His explanation of the inventory search was accurate and direct. Where he falls short: the initial request to search the vehicle made before any independent probable cause was established was premature and created unnecessary Fourth Amendment exposure. And personal remarks directed at the subject while she was already in custody crossed from professional debrief into something that doesn't belong on camera.
You just made something so difficult that didn't have to
Because
go that
he
route.
doesn't need to search my vehicle.
Okay, you also don't need to walk up behind him after he told you exit. How many times did he tell you? Don't walk up behind him. What do?
He was looking at me when
Okay.
I was walking up to him. I wasn't walking
So-
up behind him. He was watching me.
Let me explain something to you, okay? The tag that's on the car is not supposed to be on it.
Yep, you
so
told
we
me
have
that.
we have to take the tag off the car.
Okay.
Okay? Without a license plate on the car is not allowed to be operated on the roadway.
Okay.
So it has to be towed. It can't be left here. It's a highway obstruction.
Okay, you said there was no big, you weren't going to cite me for it.
I said I wasn't going to take you to jail for the
Okay, that's
misdemeanor
fine.
attaching tag
That's
not assigned.
fine.
Is what I told
That's
you.
fine, but he doesn't need
Okay.
to search my vehicle because you
It's
want
an
to search my
it's an
vehicle.
inventory search because we have to document what's in the car because it's being towed. Okay. Now you're going to jail for obstruction because you don't
What
listen.
did I do? Obstruction of what?
Obstruction of our duties. So first you don't get out of the car when they
He
tell you
knows
to.
why he's searching my
Okay.
vehicle.
First you
He
don't.
knows why he's searching my
First you
vehicle.
don't get out of the car when he tells you to get out of the car.
Because
You
he
could've
told me he didn't want to give me a reason to get out of my car.
We don't have to give you a reason. We tell you to get out of the car, you get out of the car. That's
Of all this
that's U.S.
going on
Supreme
these
Court
days,
case.
and you guys, you cops are being given a bad rap and shit like that, you need to tell somebody why they're getting out of the vehicle. There's 3 of you and there's 1 of me.
Okay, well
That's
there
why
was
I need to be
there
told
was
why I was getting out of my vehicle.
there was 2 of you or 2 of us because I was in my car.
Okay, well there's 3 of you pulling me over and 1 of me.
Okay,
I want to know why I'm being asked to get out of my vehicle.
because he told you to get out of the car. That's the only.
That's not the reason.
That is.
And I gave you the actual reason. I told you.
Yeah,
it's being
at the
inventory
last
search.
minute, and then I got out.
No, I said it's getting towed. It can't be on the roadway.
Yeah, at the last minute, and then I got
I
out.
didn't. You asked me and I answered, and then you didn't get out. So you're
Yes, I
lucky
did.
didn't
I was
pull you
I was
out.
turning my truck off for starters
You
and getting
remember
my
when I
purse
told
in my.
you to walk up behind me, and then
Yeah, I
you did
wasn't
it
looking
again?
behind you. You were looking at me when I walked up.
Not the second time. That's why you were on the ground.
You were looking at me when I
So,
walked up.
I know you. You know me. I've found meth pipes on you in the past. I hope there's not more in there.
Okay, but you don't need to be going through purses and
Oh,
like
yeah,
all
we
that
are.
kind of
We're
shit.
going through everything.
Because
in that car.
you're a that's why.
Okay. You
That's why you want to go through my
brakes in the last 2 times, not today. She sucks. Was she like that, like from the start?
It's difficult.
I don't know what her deal is. Yeah, keep it on her. There must be a lot of dope in this car
Yeah, she's losing her mind.
for her to be acting that way.
Yeah, 21.
There we go.
Dope.
Yep. It's not even a lot. I don't know why she's acting like an idiot.
Stupidity always.
I've stopped her like 2 other times. I've never seen her like this. And I've always cut her brakes, but today she doesn't get any brakes. Yep. Yeah, I'll look in there in a minute.
I'm gonna grab a flashlight to get down in there.
All wound up, old Sarah. She can't afford to get her car out of the tow yard, but she can afford meth. It's amazing.
Is that further down towards like? Gotcha.
Show me thumbs up.
Hello, Allison.
Hello.
Coming.
Huh?
So thank you for coming.
You're welcome. Does she, or what did you guys have?
She's going to jail for obstruction and meth. And she's sitting most
Yeah. What you do? You want to come over here on the concrete? Have you ever gone to jail before?
Yeah, once.
All right. So you know when we get there, if you have something that I don't find, it's a minor charge, right? So if I miss anything, it's gonna be an issue.
Go ahead.
Do you have anything?
Report EC1 1034.
Just double lock.
Is he going to go in your car?
Yeah, that's fine.
Just want to check the socks whenever.
Yep.
Sit down. Yes, get back.
You can swing your feet in. I'll put the AC on for you.
What are you chewing? So, can you open your mouth? Put your tongue up.
Gracias.
Can you call my boyfriend for me and tell him I'm going to jail?
Who's your boyfriend?
His name's Ron.
What is it?
His name's Ron.
Does your phone have a password?
I'm going to jail.
Shut up, shut up, what?
I dope and I get resisting. Obstruction of justice. Yeah.
Sarah, you kidding me? Hey, are you okay?
I guess. They wanted to search my shit because they wanted to tow it. They had to tow it. And you know who's up here, so.
What's that?
You know who's up here, so, you know what I mean?
What'd you get pulled over for?
The tag.
Yeah, but why do you want your tag?
Because two of the letters are like marked off from brake cleaner. When I
Sarah, I'll get you out.
and then you know who pulled up, so. And they don't want to search my vehicle because it's getting fucking towed. I said, there's no reason to search my vehicle. I'm not giving you consent. And they did it anyway.
Are you okay, honey?
I'm fine. I'm pissed off, but I'm fine.
I know, okay, just be calm and just do what he says, and I'll get you out. I don't know how. I don't have fucking money, but I'll call Mike or something.
Call first exit.
First exit pillbox?
Yeah, Chris Rosa.
Okay, I'll call him right now.
Bye.
Bye.
I'm not gonna ask you any questions, but this day was a long time coming. Don't act like an idiot.
I wasn't acting like an idiot.
I mean, did you really think that he was just gonna let you walk to a car when my back is facing towards you?
Your back wasn't. You were looking at me.
The first time. Okay. And then I said, don't walk up on me again, and you did it again when my back was turned to you. I was looking in the driver's side compartments, and then I hear you hit the ground. You're not gonna win, and you're freaking out over a couple grams of meth. Who cares?
That's not the point. I didn't give you consent to search my vehicle.
Doesn't matter. You don't understand the law. That's your problem. You can laugh all you want, but I should have taken your ass to jail on 2 different occasions. Now we have a good reason to take you to jail. Okay. Don't act like an idiot.
Okay.
The backup officer receives an A-. His legal explanations were accurate throughout, his de-escalation attempts were genuine and documented, and his physical response was proportionate. That is how secondary officer conduct is supposed to look in a tow and inventory situation. The subject receives a D. Her refusal of the initial consensual search request was the only legally correct decision she made. Everything after that compounded her exposure, refusing a lawful exit order, approaching an officer during an active search after repeated warnings, and possessing controlled substances in a vehicle during a stop. Her core argument that consent was required for the inventory search is not a gray area. Colorado v. Bertine settled that in 1987. Saying something loudly and repeatedly does not make it law. In this case, that misunderstanding accelerated the exact outcome she was trying to prevent. 5 lessons come out of this encounter, and they're worth taking seriously, whether you spend your career behind a badge or behind a steering wheel. Lesson 1. Partial legal knowledge is dangerous. The subject knew the phrase, "I don't consent," but didn't know that consent is irrelevant once a vehicle is being impounded. Knowing that rights exist, without knowing when and how they apply, can make a situation significantly worse. Lesson 2. An exit order during a lawful stop is non-negotiable. Pennsylvania v. Mims and Maryland v. Wilson leave no interpretive room here. Demanding an explanation before complying is not a rights assertion, it's delay that courts have consistently declined to protect. Lesson 3. An inventory search is a departmental procedure, not an investigative one. Its purpose is to document vehicle contents before towing, protecting both the owner and the department. Consent cannot block it. That distinction is one of the most practically important things any driver can understand. Lesson 4. Physical proximity to an officer during an active search is a legal line, not just a tactical preference. After multiple explicit warnings, a subject who continues to approach creates a situation that an officer is legally authorized to stop using reasonable physical control under Graham v. Connor. Lesson 5. For officers, discretion is a professional standard, not just a legal tool. Sound judgment in the field, like choosing not to arrest on the misdemeanor at the outset, builds credibility. Personal commentary directed at a subject in custody does the opposite, and it follows an officer into every accountability review that comes after. The outcome? 2 felony drug possession charges under Florida statute, Section 893.13, and obstruction under Section 843.02, resulting in an 18-month sentence, was produced by a lawful impoundment, a required inventory procedure, and a subject who physically interfered with both after being clearly told what the law required of her. The gap between what she believed the law said and what the law actually says, that gap cost her 18 months. If there is one thing this footage makes clear, it is that understanding the specific legal framework that applies to your situation matters more than confidence in a general principle. If this breakdown was useful to you, share it with someone who needs it. Leave your questions or case suggestions in the comments below and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the next analysis.